Hi, welcome to the channel for all things metal roofing in North Carolina. I'm your host, Audrey, and today we're in Shelby, North Carolina. We're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Mr. Champion. How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful.
Awesome. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us. So you recently got a Gator Metal Roof. How's that going?
Fantastic so far.
So Mr. Champion, you've been in this home for about 50 years.
50 years. And I've had shingles pretty much all the time until y'all come around with the metal. And I thought, that's what I want. That's what I want on my house. So I've looked at it several times in different places.
Have you had a few different roof replacements since being here for 50 years?
Mm-hmm. I've had 2 or 3, but I'm not sure if I had the third one.
Did you have any leaks or any major issues, or was it just time for a new roof?
Well, we were right at the allotted time that they say your roof will last.
Okay.
And it was getting to where the grit was getting going pretty quick. And so we had, went ahead and put another roof on it. But after 2 roofs and about ready for a third one, I noticed the metal here and there on houses. And I told my wife, I said, you know what? I said, I'd love to have metal on my house. So my son, when he had his done, he sent the guy here, and we talked and made a deal, and here we are.
What made you choose Gator out of all the other roofing companies? Were there any benefits that stood out to you?
I got a little reduction on the price, which helped.
Got a great deal.
Never have to worry about anything. They said screw come up or, something got loose, they'd come and fix it. Everything was, guaranteed.
So, Mr. Champion, you chose a country red Gator Metal Roof. What made you choose that color?
Well, the color of my bricks, me and the salesman that got to looking at it and the guy that came to put it on, and we decided that the country red was the closest color to match my gutters and my shutters.
Yeah.
So that's what we went with.
And it looks great. As I was driving up the road, I noticed your roof, and it looks spectacular.
It does.
Yes.
I'm proud of it.
So from the time you got your free estimate to the time that the installers completed your new roof, how long did that take?
Oh, maybe 2 weeks.
Okay, so it was a pretty fast turnaround.
They was here within 2.5 days, I think. They had it on.
Mr. Champion, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and family?
I would. I'd sell it to my mama, but she ain't here.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you. Enjoyed the visit.
Elevate your home's protection and aesthetics with Gator Metal Roofing. Get your free estimate today to secure a brighter, safer future.